Hello and welcome to my channel, Storytime. This is another short video to warn other women who are in relationships and not legally married, because there is no we or ours conversations. There is no protection in law. So think before you put your trust into any relationship where you are living together. Listen to my story. I'm in Murcia region, Cartagena, Spain, and I've been here for 8 years now, the last 4 through post-separation. I suffered trauma and anxiety due to my former partner's inability to discuss the financial settlement he wrote to me. Instead, he threatened and intimidated me with verbal aggression, and then he was not content with the betrayal and the discard. He pulled all the financial settlements as well. 2 weeks after leaving me and moving into the home of his new woman, a former girlfriend he had known 38 years before, he went straight to litigation. I published my story of the relationship in 2022, the week before I was due in the civil court, where I was told by a free public defense lawyer that the judge would order my eviction. Living in fear and trauma is not a good place to be. After the court hearing, I thought, okay, he will not honour any of the financial proposals or the handwritten signed agreement, and the original settlement had gone from €115,000 to £40,000. I still had my UK property, which was 50% of my pension, as I had been self-employed, and my state pension was all my entitlement. My savings had gone. I sold my property and was looking at ways to invest, move out, and start over. 2 weeks after the cash arrived in my account in October 2022, I had Guardia Civil turn up unexpectedly at the property. I was handed a notice to attend court to collect documents for criminal allegations that had been filed against me. I'm still in the property and in an even worse financial position than before. I've been unable to earn a stable income, and the stress from the overlapping litigations is not helping. Post-separation realities. On a positive note, I'm writing the sequel to my first book while waiting for the judgment on defamation allegation of my last book. I have launched a podcast, a YouTube channel, 2 websites, write articles on Medium for which I earn small commissions. I have designed some Amazon merch slogan t-shirts, and I have 2 collections, Narcissist Aware and Self-Care. I got myself certified as a trauma-informed coach earlier this year. I just need to bring it all together somehow. The ex is in the UK. He has thrown money at Spanish lawyers over the past few years. 1. Precarious eviction. 2. 7 criminal allegations. 3. A third, civil litigation. He wants his court costs back, plus a sum for moral damages. For the 7 allegations, his lawyer requested maximum penalties, which added up cumulatively to 17 years of prison. Luckily, 5 allegations were dropped and dismissed by the court in December 2023. Now, only 2 allegations remain. Now, it started back in October 2020 when I was advised to file a gender violence complaint. The free public lawyer turned up 30 minutes before the court hearings. They are not interested. The case was dismissed in January of 2021. The original lawyer who gave the advice took my money, then left me high and dry to report the abuse myself. I had asked him if he could write to the opposition lawyer. The solicitor just repeated his advice, saying, "Did you not hear what he said? You cannot negotiate with him." The solicitor repeated what was said in a recorded meeting that the former partner had agreed to, a meeting where I was threatened, intimidated, and told that I couldn't negotiate with him. The ex had lost control, and he was angry, verbally abusive, and aggressive. In the court hearing, the judge blamed me in the second hearing as if I had caused the former partner's anger. I didn't cause his anger because this was a pattern of his behaviour. He would get angry and shut down conversations, part of the emotional abuse and confusion that I experienced in this relationship. Hey everyone, if you found my story helpful or relatable, I'd love your support. You can grab a copy of my book for more insights, hit subscribe or the follow button for more information and updates. And if you're feeling really generous, you could buy me a coffee on Ko-fi to help my creative journey. Thanks for being part of this, and bye for now.